What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your cabin air filter in a Chevy Equinox, probably from about the 2018 up to about the 2021, possibly even 2022. It's pretty simple. First thing you want to do is just open up your glove box. You see these two sides right here. You just kind of want to squeeze it on both sides of it, kind of like that. When you do that, it'll drop down like that. Then once you've done that, when you come over here to the side piece, you'll see this little piece right here. You just kind of want to pull out on it, pull it toward your passenger side door, just like this, like that. And once you do that, your whole basically glove box will pretty much come down like that. Pretty much it's just held on here with these pieces right here on two sides going on to right here like that. And this is what I pulled out right here with this little bar right here. And once you do that, you can look underneath here just like that. And what you'll see now is right here, this is where your air filter's at. You'll have two screws, one over here which takes like a 7 and 32, one over here, one over here. Pretty much you just take those two screws out and this thing can flip up with your air filter. I'll show you that in a second. Alright, you can see right here, this is the screw that I took off. There'll be two of these, one on this side, one on that side. You take those two screws off, then you will be able to just come right here to where your air filter's at. Be like a little notch down here. And all you gotta do is just kind of pop it up just like that. And right inside of there is your cabin air filter. It's like a little notch down. You can kind of grab it and pull it out right here. And once you pull that out, all you gotta do now is slip your other one inside of it and you should be good to go. It's a pretty simple job. It takes maybe like 5 minutes or something like that to do. Once again, this is how you would change out your cabin air filter on a Chevy Equinox from probably about the 2018 up to about the 2021. You just have two screws, one on this side, one on that side. After you take your glove box down, which is pretty simple, then you just lift up on this and you can just pull your filter out right here like that and it'll come straight out. Alright, please check out other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.
Yeah, hold it in right.